Alright, hey gang, welcome to Hillbilly's Hot Rod Garage. This is going to be our first video, so bear with us. We got a lot of learning to do on producing these videos, and if it goes over well, we'll be upgrading our equipment and stuff later on, make that better for you guys too. But I wanted to start out, we was actually working on a 2003 F-150 today, putting a fuel pump on. Originally we was going to pull the bed off and go in from the top, but once we got down to our bolts, the bolts were so rusted in and tight we just kept breaking our bits off. So then we elected just to go in from the bottom, pull the tank, go in that way. Thought about doing a video on that, but there's so many videos on fuel pumps and stuff. We were just going to wait and start things out with rust repair and body work on our 53 Belair over there that we're fixing to start on. And then we're also working on a 79 Z28 factory 4-speed car, doing some rust repair and things on. But what we're going to talk about today is everybody's worst nightmare, broken bolts. So to get to our mounting bolts for the bed, we had to pull the bed liner out, which required pulling the bed tie downs out, and of course a bunch of the bolts broke. So now we've got to go back and address those issues. So what we're working on is this one over here in the back driver's side corner. And what our plan is today is to weld us a nut onto the existing broken bolt, and then hopefully we can take a wrench and back that on out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a washer. We're going to place the washer right up against. This is going to help protect the paint, and it's also going to keep us from welding our nut to our bed or anything like that. And I just took a pair of vice grips. I've got my nut in there, and I just ground my lead to my vice grip so I make sure I get a good ground close to where I'm welding at, because we don't want to damage any electronics or anything. We're going to place that right up there. Let me grab my helmet here and get it put on. And let's see if we can get this welded on. Out of the way, and see if we can get this to come on out. What I'm doing is just kind of working it back and forth, letting it free the rust and everything up in there so we can get it turning good. And there you go. Be careful, of course, it's still going to be pretty hot. But that is how we get a broken bolt out. So, hope you find this helpful. If you do, hope you subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. That'll help us out. And if we start getting a good following, we'll do more videos. Like I said, we've got the 53 Belair coming up that we're going to be doing rust repair and body work on. We've got a 65 Impala sitting out there to do, the 79 Z28, so going to have a lot of fun. So roll up your sleeves and let's get busy. And again, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.